You all know what this means. We are at McCord Park doing some rail fanning. I'm not going to explain too much in this video, I don't think, just because the last one had a lot of explaining things, and it just kind of made it hard to understand me. And I don't know, I don't like adding a lot of text either, so maybe there'll be less text in this video, but I'm going to try to catch some trains today. That's what's important. So while we're waiting here at McCord, these tracks are right next to me in case you're wondering, but while we're waiting here at McCord, I'm kind of impatient right now. I've been looking forward to this for a while because we're going to be getting up really early tomorrow morning and rail fanning in the early morning, probably when it's still dark out. But we're going to go check out an old caboose down here. You've probably heard me mention it before. I did a video about it before, but I figured now it's probably a good time to make a video about it. It is right down, sorry, it's right down there. You see it. We'll be checking that out. So here it is, built in 1923, I forget, 22, something like that. Old B&O caboose. It's wooden. 1922 is when it was built, yeah. Pause to read that if you want. And it's got the old leaf suspension here. Can't go inside it, but I'm assuming they do probably private tours. And then again, McCord Park here is kind of like they got a baseball field, community center, but it's also a bit of a rail park, so this kind of explains why they have this on display. Back up a little bit here. Yeah, really neat old caboose. Go around and show you the back here. Old brake hose here. The yellow jacket just flew in it. There's coupling. I don't want to record too much because I want to save space, but yeah, really neat. So now I'm just going to continue walking back up there and keep waiting. Really neat area, I'll say that. We got our first catch coming right down the tracks. We'll pick up this recording when it gets there. Here we go. Guessing it's an ST70. I don't know, they just seem to have horns like that. Yep. ST70 AC. Car up there, so we can't see much of the north. long one. We got us a two-way coming up. There's one down there. I think it's at Schrock right now. And we got one up there. I've moved in the middle for a little bit. I am on the sidewalk, so there's nothing wrong with that. And just waiting. See the gates coming down there. There it is at Worthington Galena. It's on the far track from us right now. And I think we're getting a first significant two-way. Sounds like another SD70 ACE, just because that horn, they all seem to sound like that. Cole northbound. Go Jeff, that was really loud. The other one will be coming down here soon. What's misfortunate is that the end is right down there. I don't think we're going to get it the two-way we hoped for. That stinks. If this one could have just been a minute later, because the end is right there. We're not getting the two-way we hoped for. There's a meet up there though. Let me move up just a tiny bit here. Yeah, we're gonna miss it. If this one was just a minute later, we would have got it. Completely missed out on the two-way we hoped for. We're crossing here before it gets down here. It's still way up there. We were way off. I thought for sure we were going to get one up at Flint. We're getting one though. Anybody's up there right now. Move up a bit. SD70 ACEs all day. SD70 ACEs all day. Very interesting. the end. Not a bad day. Here we go, 4th train of the day, all right. I like the sound of that, big time. No way do we have something old school here. Yeah, no. Dash 8, looks like. It's older. Yeah, it's a Dash 8 or something, I think. D5 horn. It's going real slow. It's gonna stop, I think. Probably gonna stop at East Cook, I'm guessing. Maybe it's stopped at Lincoln. I don't know. It'd be blocking the CSX, but who knows? Quite interesting. Guess this is a intermodal train, technically speaking. It's going really slow. Couple neat ones here. Slow and quiet. This is the time you see a lot of freight hoppers getting on trains when they're going slow like this. I've seen them before riding, but it's been a long time. Slowing down even more. Cars are starting to get backed up a little bit. We peeked around the corner real quick, and there's another train going side by side with this one. If it's going quick enough, maybe it can catch up, but I don't think that's going to happen. Little tip, Sunday evenings on the Norfolk Southern Sandusky District that runs through Columbus are really good times to rail fan. So are Wednesdays pretty much all day, Monday mornings, and even Sunday mornings as well, based on what I've seen at least. Tuesdays can be kind of scarce, but Tuesday nights are real nice for rail fanning. The train is right around the corner. I think we're going to see it pass at least the end of cars on this one. That'll be kind of neat. Moved up a ton. I'm going to adjust my camera here a little bit. Yep. Heck yeah. There's going to be some really angry drivers here too. Two of them side by side. First time I've caught that. Another container. Intermodel. That was the end of this one. Would you look at that? It beat the other train. That was pretty nice to see right there. And these people can finally go. They were waiting for about 10 minutes, at least.